Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired.
Fight.
Okay, let's start this New Year's Eve look off with doing our hair. So, you guys, I decided to take one of my former wigs that I've had, and I decided to use my Remington Hot Rollers to curl it up for the new year. Then, after a while, I think I left it in the curls for probably like half the day, and then I released the curls, and they were these gorgeous spiral curls, you guys. And at this point, I'm just showing you the front of the wig. Then I am placing the wig on my head. And at this point, I decided to go ahead and style the unit. And as you know, I always use my bedhead hairspray to adhere my units to my head. So, I'm liking what I'm seeing, so let's go ahead and change. And so I decided to change my little outfit for my New Year's Eve inside the home. And I'm showing off this gorgeous hair, as you guys can see. Full body, sexy hair.
Knockout. You win.
And I decided to use and wear my Monet Dior Couture earrings. And I think this is a great piece for New Year's Eve because it's bling bling and it's shiny and it's gorgeous and it's oh so girly. And so I wanted to showcase this, of course, for my New Year's Eve look at home. And I also wanted to share with you guys that the makeup that I use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And then I also wore this really inexpensive top from Walmart, you guys. Alright, I love it because again, it's very shiny and bling bling. So it goes with the New Year's Eve look at home. And so of course I had to take a couple of pictures and do some poses and and off and wish everyone a happy new year, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Joining me. And I will see you in the new year. Bye.